Here's a baby garter snake that I found. It's a little feisty. Oh, little guy. Oh. Yeah. So I found him out in my woods. Let's see if I can show you guys some more of him. Oh, yeah, it's not that big. That's his full body length right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna cover him up, and I'll make another video when I'm releasing him. I just want to keep him for a little bit to show, and I'm gonna show you another thing that I found today. There he is. Don't know if you can see him. And he's a snapping turtle. Snapping turtle in there. Alright, yeah, make a new video when I'm releasing him. Bye.